Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our visual testing with the APM series, in this video we are going to discuss on complete details on getImagesSimilarity method. This is the part 3 series. Okay, in this one we are going to discuss getImageSimilarity with the parameter type file. Okay, as you know, this getImageSimilarity method is a overloaded method with different type of parameters and number of parameters. In part 1, part 2, already we discussed about the getImageSimilarity with the parameter type byte options. This is the part 3. We are going to discuss getImageSimilarity with the parameter type file. Okay, so first, we understand what exactly this getImagesSimilarity method all about. Okay, this is the one of the Appium built-in method used to compare two images. Okay, and return the similarity score. Okay, and this method is useful for visual testing, validating the two images, that is the actual image compared to the expected image. Okay, that is expected image we already will have it, stored it, and we take a current screenshot, that is actual image, and we compare both images and visual similarity with the tolerance level. Okay, means we are comparing both images, expected and actual, and getting the similarity score. Okay, so how exactly it works? So you have to provide two images in file format, and Appium uses OpenCV. Okay, that's why I told OpenCV under the hood to compare them, returns a similarity score which will be there between 0.0 and 1.0. See, to work on this getImageSimilarity method, we should have prerequisites here. That is the OpenCV for Node.js should be installed and Appium image plugin should be installed here. Okay, so already I have made a video on this one, how to install OpenCV for Node.js and how to install the images plugin. These are the prerequisites we have to have in our system. Okay, so if you not install it, install these both required OpenCV for Node.js and images plugin. Okay, so coming back to our PPT, and this is all about. And now what we will do, we open the emulator here, and we are for this demo we are using the Burger King app. When I launch this Burger King app, I want to check this image. Means when I launch the Burger King app, it has displayed this particular image, and I want to make sure that this particular image displayed or not. Okay, so that is our test scenario here. Okay, go back to our Eclipse. So I need under the Appium Visual Testing package, I'll create a class and name this class as get images similarity get image similarity underscore demo 3. Okay, this is the class name I provided here, and click on finish. Okay, because you see here I already make a two classes, demo1 and demo2, and this is the part 3, right? So I name this class as get images similarity demo3 here. Okay, so I open the sample class where I have created the code for before test and after test annotation. Copy this code, complete code, and paste it in the our class here. Okay, and do the necessary changes. Remove this package and change the class name here. So this is the process I used to do because to save the time, okay, unnecessary creating the before test and after test annotation code, okay. Just copy from the sample class, okay. And if you have observed in the before test annotation, I have the method called setup where I am defining the UI automator 2 options, and the capabilities I am using the set platform name, set automation name, and device name here. Okay, same under the after test annotation, I am using the method called tear down where I am fitting the driver. Okay, the first thing we have the few steps to follow. Okay, we have to have 3 steps here. That is the capture the screenshot. First thing is to capture the screenshot in the file format. Okay, because we are using the parameterized file. Okay, and perform the comparison and get the result and get the score and print the result. So these are the 3 steps I need to follow. Okay, copy these 3 steps here. These 3 steps I need to write the code. The first step, for the first prerequisite is I need to launch this Burger King app. Okay, this Burger King app I need to launch. So how I can able to start or launch this one? I had to use the method called driver dot activate app. So activate app method used to launch the or open or start the application which is already installed here in our emulator or real-time device or any device which we are using for our testing. Okay, so I'm using the activate app and the parameter I need to put the bundle ID, that is a package name here. So already I have run the Dumpsys Windows display this command to get the package name and activity name here. This is the package name. Copy this one and paste here. So I'm launching the my Burger King app by using the activate app. Okay. Now we had write the code for first step here. This is the first step. Okay. First we write the code for first step here. Same thing. I want to print it also in the console so that we know that we are in the under the first step here. Okay. The first step is to capture the screenshot in file format. So we need to write a code for this capture the screenshot here. Okay. So what we will do? So we have to use the. So I need to capture the screenshot here. So for this one, I write the code files. So files utility dot copy file. Okay. And here I need to take a screenshot here. So I write driver dot get screenshot has an output type is file. That is output type dot file. Okay. And I need to name this file, right? So I have to write the code new file name. So what name I use? I say actual image. So this is a name and I need to save the extension and I want to save this image as .png. Okay, this is a code to take the screenshot. Okay, so file utilities dot copy file driver dot get screenshot has output type dot file and I'm saving this file this image as actual underscore image with extension called .png. So I got the screenshot here. Okay. Now what I will do? So this is actual image, right? Now I want to get the expected image here. So already I had taken the expected image. Okay, this is the expected image. Okay, this is the expected image, and at runtime I have taking the screenshot and I'm comparing the both. Okay, so we need the code for this one. So it says file and I name this file 1. Okay, it's equal to new file and I will provide the path here. I will code is to provide the path system dot get property user dot dri and here I am providing the path for the actual image here. Okay, that is the actual image, actual underscore image, and this type of .png. Okay, This is called actual. The same thing I need to provide the path for the expected image. So this is the file 2, and here I have to say expected image. The expected image. Okay. And these two variables we created, and we are going to use these variables to perform the comparison. Okay. So the first step we completed here. The second step, perform the comparison. Okay. This is what I want to print this one also. The console. I'll copy this one. Now we are entering the step 2 here. Yeah. Now we have to use the driver dot. Here we are using the getImagesSimilarity method. So you observe that we have the method image similarity overloaded with the different parameters and type of parameters. So we are using this getImageSimilarity file image1 file image2 here. So you have to check this, select this one. So we have file 1 and file 2 here. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, and the second step, and what you are doing in the second step is this. After comparing this, it will return a result here. Okay, so it says similarity matching result. Okay, so I want to store this result in the variable called result here, result, and this result type is the similarity matching result. Okay, so I am using. So what I am doing here, driver dot get images. The file 1 is the actual image, and file 2 the expected image. So I am doing the comparison and passing this result in the variable called result, which is type of similarity matching result here. Okay, so this is the second step here. The third step is to get the score and print the score. Okay, the same thing I want to print. Sys out, print the console. So just provide this one. Okay, so next step is to print the image, print the score here. Okay, so sys out, just a minute. I want to print it here. This out, say the similarity score. Similarity score. The similarity score. Okay, so to get the similarity score, I had to use a method called result dot get score. Okay, I had to use a method called get score on the result variable here. Okay, so get score, by using the get score method, I am, after combining the two images, I am getting the score. Okay, of the two images. Okay, now our code is ready. Save it here. So I want to use the dot sleep so that you can discuss the code and you pass the execution. And just say 10 seconds, 10 milliseconds I'm using here. And once it is done, okay, I think put it over there. Okay, so what we are doing there, first we are launching the application, that is a Burger King, by using the activate app method, and we have provided the package name here. The first step, capture the screenshot in file format. Okay, so this is the code I written, and I'm saving the image, that is screenshot as actual underscore image with extension called PNG. Okay, here I'm providing the file 1 and file 2 parameters here, and I'm providing the path of this actual image and expected image. So expected image already we have here. Okay, this is the expected image, and the second step I am performing the comparison. Okay, here I am using the get image similarity get image similarity, and I'm passing the file1 and file2 images here. Okay, which is a file format. Okay, then once its comparison is done, I'm storing the result in the result variable, and I'm using the method called getScore to print the similarity score here. Okay, now our code is ready. So what we'll do, just we'll kill this app. Wait a minute. Okay, now please note that when you are using the get image similarity, we have to start the Appium server with the plugin called images. That is a prerequisite here. Okay, here you see we have to run the Appium server explicitly, activate the Appium explicitly with the images plugin. Okay, if you not activate the Appium server with the plugin called images, it will fail. Okay, so we should remember this thing here. So it is ready, and now I will open the command prompt and type appium use plugin equal to images. Okay, just click on enter. So we have to use icon plugin to start any plugin. So here we are using the images plugin. So we are starting the Appium server explicitly with the images plugin. So our Appium server is started, and come to our code. Right click, run as test engine test. So it has launched the Burger King app. Take the screenshot in file format, comparison, and then print the score. This image I want here. Yeah, I think it came blank here. We'll see the actual image because in between got the blank, right? Just a minute. Let's refresh this one, and I have this actual image generated. Yeah, it's a blank one. So once again, we run it here. That's why see the image, the similarity score is very less here. It is just 7.6 only. So once again, we run this code so that we get the image here. So once again, we run it. Run has test any test. Because I want to capture this particular image here. This image I want to capture. You see, observe it for a fraction of seconds to go away. Once again, I think I did not capture the image properly. We'll see. Yeah, so it capture the image here. Now we have the actual image. Just refresh this one. Okay, this is the actual image. So this is the actual image, and this is the expected image. Okay, this is the expected image, and this is the actual image. So we are comparing these both images. Okay, what when I launch the Burger King app for the launch page, okay, this particular image has to be displayed here. So you are comparing the two images with our expected image. We are comparing the actual image and expected image so that the when you launch the Burger King app, the launch page should display this particular image. Okay, this is how we can able to use this get image similarity method with the parameter type of file comma file. Okay, and if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.